Hello friends! Today we are going to look at Adobe Spark Video using our iPads. You will see that I have downloaded two different Adobe Spark tools. The first is Post and the second is Video. We are going to take a look at the video. When you click on Spark Video, you are going to click on Continue with Google. Once you click on Continue with Google, you are going to say continue because Adobe Spark wants to use our Google accounts to log us in. When we get to this point, we are going to choose our student number at pdsb.net. When we select this particular option, you will see that Adobe Spark wants permission to organize and to access your Google Photos library. You are going to click on Allow. This is because Adobe Spark Video has a special agreement with Peel District School Board. You can see that I have a variety of videos. For example, that is an example. Once we have opened my videos, in the center at the bottom of your screen, you will see a red plus sign. When we click on the plus sign, it will actually load a how-to video. You can watch this video, or you can click on close. What we are able to do is either start with your own videos or use a story template. We're going to click on use a story template. We can either promote an idea, tell what happened, a hero's journey, show and tell, personal growth, teach a lesson, an invitation, or we can start from scratch. Depending on what type of video you want to create, you choose your template and click on Pick this one. For today, I'm going to do a show and tell. From here, we are able to click the plus sign in the center of the blue box. From here, we are able to find videos or files on our iPad. We are able to type some text in here. So I'm saying show and tell. I'm able to drag with my finger, drag and drop. And I'm able to record voice by clicking on the red microphone. Press and hold here while speaking. My show and tell video. Now when I play that particular slide, my show and tell video. You can hear that it added some background music, and if you click on music up in the top right hand corner, you're able to see that there are many different types of music that we can choose. Choose a song and press done. With the plus sign, we're also able to click on photos. We can find free photos. So I'm going to click on Find Free Photos, and I'm going to search for a dog. I am going to choose this dog. Notice how when I select a photo, it puts it into my video. Now, I can press play my show and tell video. So that is my intro slide, my introduction. Down at the bottom, you see that there are some blue boxes. It's just like a slide deck. So if you've used Google Slides, we are able to click on slide number 2. I'm going to click on that plus sign, and I'm going to find a different picture of some dogs. I'm going to choose this one. he looks a little sad. Maybe I'm going to choose a different dog. This dog. Yes, this is a funny looking dog. I'm going to click on my microphone and record some more voice messages. Our family has been looking to adopt a dog. Now let's hear this one. Our family has been looking to adopt a dog. That's the plus sign at the top. If I want to play the entire video, I click on slide number 1 and press play down in what's known as the timeline across the bottom. Let's see how our video looks all together. My show and tell video. Our family has been looking to adopt a dog. And right now I don't have any more information, so I would need to actually put something here. If I click on this particular slide, I can delete it, or I can duplicate, or I can press play from here. So perhaps I want to do one more slide. Press done. We are looking for a dog that likes to play and go for walks. Over here, I'm going to click on the next slide, plus sign. We are looking for a smaller dog because we live in a tiny home. And maybe this one I'm going to click and delete this slide. Delete the slide. Click, delete the slide. Click, delete the slide. And then it's got my credits, so I can say by MW, because again I don't want to put my full name, and that will be it. So now I'm going to come all the way back to the beginning and let's press play. My show and tell video. Our family has been looking to adopt a dog. We are looking for a dog that likes to play and go for walks. We are looking for a smaller dog because we live in a tiny home. And there you have it. If we click on back, we go back to this, and if there's anything that I'd like to add or change, all I need to do is click on the picture and I'm able to choose a new picture, or I'm able to record different sound. I'm also able to click on done, and up in our top right hand corner I'm able to click on share and save to my camera roll. I'm going to say allow access to all photos, and now it's actually saving my video to the camera roll. And now I can hand it in to my teacher